and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147. Now you are going to see a few unboxing videos from me over the next few videos. The building work has recommenced, so I have managed to get my craft room to a state that I can do some unboxings, but I can't do much else. So I wanted to get these unboxings done, so you will be seeing those for a bit, and then hopefully everything will pretty much get back to normal. I can have my craft room back to normal and we'll get the variety going again. So that's just my apologies. That's what the next few videos will be. I know some of you like these, so that's all good. For those that prefer the kitting up and the de-kitting, they are coming back. Also will the whip and chats. But for now, I'm on a time constraint. Builders are here in the morning, and I need to get videos ready and up for you guys during this whole upheaval. So anyway, we're going to start with a very exciting unboxing first. So this was actually sent directly to me from a subscriber. So I actually don't know what is in here, what this painting is, but I would like to say a big thank you to Melissa before I even open it, and probably again afterwards, but she said she saw this painting and thought of me. So it makes me excited and scared all at the same time. Excited to see what it is, and also scared as to what is a painting that speaks of me, but we'll see. This has been a while. It was stuck in transit for quite a while. We've both been very patient. Oh, and we get rid of one bag and we have another bag. Okay, the excitement continues. So let's see if we can get in this bag and see what the painting is, because as I say, I'm very, very excited. Oh, okay, it's very apt already. I don't know if anybody can see that. And oh, this is an Ever moment. Oh, what a treat. I haven't worked on an Ever moment for so long. It feels like it's been ages, and I do like Ever moment. Melissa, you spoil me. You do. Let me get in it. Oh, so excited. It is definitely very much me. And in fact, I have my brew here, and it just says coffee time. It's always coffee time. This is going to go up in either my kitchen or my craft room. What size are we on? 30 by 30. Perfect. I know where I can find frames for that. Okay, let's have a look, see, and then we'll have a look at the other goodies in a minute, because Ever moment do pack nicely. So we pull the foam core out the middle. No wrinkles, no ruffles on the back, which is awesome. We have got some, oh, it looks like it's just transfer from the ribbon. It's got a little bow mark across the purple. Fantastic. Let's have a quick look. See, look, I'm already creating a bubble in the flipping top paper. Oh, look at the gorgeousness of that pattern. And oh, you can fully make out what it says. So I can already see the time and the cups. Let me get it flattened and we'll have a look at what coffee looks like. I think you're going to see this being kitted up very soon. Very soon. It would be one of the first ones I kit up in my hopefully finished off craft room. We'll see. I work with all sorts of storage all around me. You should see the mess behind me. In fact, no, you shouldn't. There. Oh, look at that. So we've got coffee time. It is true 30 by 30, or at least I'm sure it will be, because it's Ever moment. But for the purposes of confirming, so I'm just going to where the drill area is that I can see through the top coat. To the drill area, yeah, it's a couple of mils short of 30 by bob on 30, so it's definitely a 30 by 30 image. That is amazing. That is going to be so much fun to work on as well. So let's have a look at what else I've got. Let me get rid of the packaging to my dumping ground behind me. So with Evermoment, they do tend to send you a nice, decent amount of bags. So maybe if you're one that's not got storage for working on diamond paintings and want, you know, a kit that comes with enough, Evermoment would be for you. They only do square, but they are a very nice company. Oh, look, I got a little, it is from Melissa Pope. It is from Melissa. Thank you. And here we go. I'll show you the inventory sheet now. Oh wow, how many colours are in this? 34. Look at that. That's amazing. 34 different colours. Wow. Okay. So this is Evermoment's new statement that they make diamonds from resin, or what the difference is between resin and acrylic. Resin diamonds are more expensive, about 2 times apparently, more than acrylic. There's almost no defective diamonds from acrylic drills, but for resin diamonds they can't avoid. So apparently resin diamonds are more shiny and have superior quality, and they use resin diamonds, but you don't, you know, they say they don't affect their price for that. Oh, they have, even the high cost has no price advantage. Anyway, what they've also started doing, which I do like with Evermoment, is on the back they do now tell you how many diamonds are in a small bag and how many diamonds are in a big bag, and that they always give you 20 to 30% more diamonds. I know it is different for everybody, but I have never run out of diamonds from Evermoment on any painting. In fact, I'm left with more spare diamonds than I know what to do with. I've also never had a problem with, you know, the packaging and what's arrived, but I will do a quick check off just for anybody that's new to diamond painting. This is what I recommend when you get a diamond painting, is that you check your colours against your inventory. So 321, it says we need 806. Okay, now that is 800 to 1,000 diamonds, but I also, for 321, have 3 separate bags as well. So I already know I have more than enough to finish the painting. 945, 1,037. So if we go for the easier number, if they have 1,000 in it, that's 2,000, so we've got extras. Even if we go on the smaller number, it's 1,600, which again is still 500 more diamonds than we need. Let me try and keep myself. 371, 418, I've got a bag of 800 to 1,000. 402. Now 402 say 958. Knowing Evermoment, there's probably some more in here, even though this would be enough. And there we go, there's more, 402. So we need 958, and we've got gazillions. So let me start putting these back in the bag, or I'm going to get confused over which ones I've done. 310, 895, and we've got even more 310 as well. So we've got plenty. 951, 467, and I've just spotted that there's an extra pack as well. So I'm going to end up with loads of spares from this already. 154, 446, 3858, we need 496, got plenty. 498, 457, got plenty, and I'm probably still going to find other bags of those colours, but I already know by ticking off that I've got plenty. 814, 971, and I've got 2 big bags. 3771, 706, I've got enough. There's likely to be more, but I've got enough. 3855, I need 412, I've got a bag of 800. 738, I need 929. I've got a bag that could hold up to 1,000 plus another set of bags that could hold up to 800. 3799, 714. I've got enough regardless of any more. 823, 134. I've probably got enough in one bag. They've given me 2. 3778, 350. So I've got plenty. Trying to do all the big bags first. 729, 993. I'll have plenty. Let me get these tucked into the grip seal bag again. This is just so that I don't lose them. Have we got any other big bags? No. So we're on small bags now. So 666. I need 27. I think I'll have enough. 783. I need 97. I think I've got 4 times as many as I need. 317. I need 203. Again, I've got plenty. 746. I need 124. I've got plenty. 3031. I need 170, which could be in one bag. They've given me 2. And then 745. I need 165. Again, they've given me double. 779, 321. There's probably enough in 2 bags. They've given me 4. Oh, there's another big one. 939. I need 746. So I've definitely got enough. And there's 2 more bags floating about. 921. I need 77. So I've got double. 3771. I've already ticked off. So I must have already had enough and I've got more. 3858, again, I've already ticked that off. 356, 337 I need, which would be 2 bags. They've given me 4. 842, 97, they've given me about 4 times as much. 3822, I need 101, they've given me an extra bag. 712, I need 33, should be good. 3865, and I need 29, again, should be good. 3861, I need 338, which would be 2 bags, and they've given me another 2. 3779, I've already marked that off, so they're extras. 918, I need 122, so I've got double. And 3766, I need 224, which is a bag and a bit. They've given me an extra bag. And to check, they're all ticked off, so everything is present and correct. So I can let Melissa know, because this did arrive a couple of days ago, but it's been chaos here. But it was well worth the wait. Very excited. So yeah, they give us bags. They give us a hair bubble. It's classed as a gift. But my daughters do use these, so I'll take that in the house. And then we do get a toolkit from them that has the very nice tweezers. White tray, you get a pen, and it's actually got 2 grips on that. It's either 2 or a very long one. It's 2. So you get 2 grips, which is good because the grips can get mucky and it's nice to change. Pink pen, and you have got an adapter on the end for a 3-placer, and there's another one there which looks like it's about a 9-placer if you use those. So a very nice toolkit, the higher end of the toolkits. So yeah, that is my unboxing for this one. Very excited to do this one. I will be doing this one soon. Thank you so much to Melissa. Good shout, that one. And I will be sure to get this one done and displayed as soon as possible. But thank you so much for watching. I'm going to go and drink some more of my brew, and I'll speak to you all again soon.